Hey everyone, this is Matt with Lamont Bros, and today I'm out in wonderful North Portland neighborhood. It's a little bit blustery today, but we want to show you this detached garage that we finished out so the homeowners can use it as a jewelry studio. Basically, it was an empty garage with just raw framing and one light in it. And what we did is we added 2 windows. We added 1 man door, so you kind of come and go. I guess it's supposed to be called person doors now. And then we added insulation, sheetrock, and we are going to be switching out the garage door too for an insulated version that has glass in it, so there'll be more light coming in from there also, and the whole space will be really well sealed so she can have a little space heater in there and keep it warm all winter. The project cost on this is about $22,000. Pretty minimal investment for a nice detached space that she can use as a workspace. This project has taken about 2 weeks start to finish. The homeowners had already done the plumbing and electrical, so that was already done. So for our portion of the project, we put in 2 windows, a door, insulation, sheetrock, and a new garage door, and that's taken about 2 weeks start to finish. So one other thing we did on this project that was a little unusual, because it's a jewelry studio, she has what's called a pickle pot, where they keep metals in vinegar, basically a hot pot of vinegar, and it off gases some fumes. So we installed a bath fan that she can have on just to get those vapors out of the work studio.